All right, welcome everyone. Today we've got Spirit, the tracker from G.I. Joe, and I'm on a roll. I've got his gun and his backpack as well. And a total amateur tip, I broke the stud off on the backpack, but I got some of this UV welding super glue epoxy stuff, and it, for my purpose, it appears that it's going to stick on there good enough. It doesn't. I wouldn't trust it to do any real weight, but for something as simple as that, I think it's good. And he got his arrow gun or something, I guess. But and in addition to having his gun in his backpack, the only thing I don't have of him is the eagle. He came with a little plastic eagle. It was his, I don't know what you call it, pet, I guess, supposedly. I also found his bio card. Charlie Iron Knife, primary specialty infantry, secondary specialty social services. Taos, New Mexico. Spirit comes from a family so far below the poverty line that they never realized they were poor. Was a hunting guide through high school, served in Southeast Asia, then as a civilian completed his education, returned to the service for reasons inexplicable to anyone but a Native American mystic warrior. Qualified expert M16, M1911A1 auto pistol, Remington sniper rifle. Charlie's a shaman, a medicine man. He's not a healer or a priest or a witch doctor. There isn't any equivalent in our culture of what he is unless we had shrinks that could actually help people. A little snarky on that one. Went poetic snarky, I guess. But actually he is, I'm pretty sure he was second gen. So before they moved to Sci-Fi, and I also noticed Sci-Fi's card from yesterday, they went from codename Sci-Fi Laser Trooper to codename Spirit Tracker, from job to codename, then codename to job. I don't know why that intrigued me, but it's just something I noticed just because I looked at them back to back. But anyway, that's old Spirit. I'd say, he's also, I've been surprised how good a shape these guys are in. I don't know, I just sort of figured after so many years of neglect, they'd be falling apart. Funny that they gave him long hair, but they couldn't to Scarlet or Lady J or CoverGirl or any of the other women. I guess Baroness had long hair. So, I guess I forgot about her for a second. All right. But anyway, there's Tracker. So if you're digging what I'm doing, or there's Spirit. I keep seeing Tracker in bold print. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. It's going to keep going for a while yet. Thanks for watching. Bye.